revealing the monumental scale of gold mining.
Raw gold ore, with glimmering flecks, moves on a conveyor, revealing its hidden value. Massive crushing machines pulverize raw gold ore, initiating the refining process with immense force.
Fine gold powder cascades into a mixing vat, a mesmerizing transformation of raw material.
Flotation tanks agitate gold-bearing slurry, initiating chemical separation with scientific precision.
A chemical engineer meticulously adjusts a filtration unit, ensuring precise measurements for gold refinement.
A technician carefully pours concentrated gold solution, a delicate step in the refining process. Electrolytic cells silently deposit pure gold onto cathodes, a scientific marvel of accretion. A worker carefully removes a gold-coated cathode, culminating a precise chemical process.
A sealed container of raw gold is meticulously weighed, ensuring precise valuation and accuracy. A robotic arm precisely transfers gold powder into a smelting furnace, automating a dangerous process. Molten gold glows intensely within the furnace, a dramatic metamorphosis of raw power. A technician pours molten gold into a graphite mold, a dangerous, spectacular, and transformative act.
Newly cast gold bars, still glowing, cool on a conveyor, solidifying from liquid to solid.
A technician inspects a gold bar with a thermal camera, ensuring precise cooling and quality control. Automated machines meticulously clean and polish gold bars, bringing out their ultimate luster.
A robotic arm applies a precision buffer, transforming a gold bar's surface into a mirror-like shine.
A QC technician meticulously examines a polished gold bar, ensuring flawless quality under intense light.
An XRF machine scans a gold bar, precisely verifying its purity with advanced scientific analysis.
A powerful laser engraves serial numbers onto a gold bar, ensuring permanent identification and authenticity.
A worker carefully places a freshly marked gold bar into a luxurious, velvet-lined display case.
An open, high-security vault reveals breathtaking stacks of gleaming gold bars. Immense wealth secured. An armored truck exits a fortified gate into the desolate landscape, beginning its high-stakes journey.
A robotic arm uses a high-pressure water jet to clean raw gold ore, forcefully removing impurities. Automated optical sorters use lasers to intelligently separate gold-bearing ore from waste rock at high speed. A precise air jet blasts a gold-rich rock, instantly separating it from waste with high-speed accuracy.
Massive ball mills grind gold ore into fine powder, a relentless process of overwhelming power.
A technician performs a fire assay test, analyzing gold powder with precise metallurgical rigor.
Molten gold glows white-hot within the assay furnace, undergoing ultimate purification at extreme heat. A technician carefully removes a solidified gold prill, a pure sample from a precise scientific test. A worker meticulously feeds gold powder into an induction furnace, ensuring precise melting for advanced refining.
Molten gold swirls in an induction furnace, a mesmerizing display of extreme temperature and purity. Automated continuous casting machines form molten gold into long rods, a process of precise material shaping.
A newly formed gold rod emerges from the cooling bath, steam rising gently, signaling immediate solidification.
Massive hydraulic presses stamp gold segments, powerfully shaping them into initial bar forms. A robotic arm places a gold bar segment into an annealing furnace, preparing metal for shaping.
A gold bar glows softly within the annealing furnace, undergoing controlled thermal transformation.
Automated rolling mills flatten gold segments, applying immense mechanical force for precise shaping.
A perfectly flat gold sheet emerges from the rolling mill, gleaming with soft luster, reflecting material perfection.
An automated shear precisely cuts gold sheet into blanks, ensuring efficient shaping for final bars.
A robotic arm meticulously transfers a gold blank onto a conveyor, ensuring seamless transition for processing. Gloved hands meticulously inspect a gold blank for defects, ensuring human precision in quality control. A worker buffs a gold blank, meticulously removing microscopic imperfections in a clean room environment.
A massive automated press stamps a gold blank into its final bar shape, a definitive transformation. A newly formed gold bar emerges flawlessly from the press, a culmination of pristine perfection. A robotic arm gently transfers a gold bar onto a conveyor, demonstrating automated elegance and continuous flow.
A gold bar undergoes high-speed polishing, transforming its surface into a mirror-like finish.
Gloved hands gently wipe a polished gold bar, revealing its immaculate shine and ultimate perfection.
Powerful crusher jaws pulverize gold ore, splintering rock with brutal force and immediate reduction. A worker oversees crushed ore transfer between conveyors, a continuous flow on an industrial scale.
A technician collects a crushed ore sample for analysis, ensuring meticulous data collection and quality.
A particle size analyzer displays data for crushed gold ore, revealing cutting-edge material science.
A worker meticulously prepares a gold ore sample for chemical leaching, demonstrating precise chemical reactions.
Vast leaching tanks agitate gold ore with chemical solutions, a large-scale process of continuous extraction. Gold-bearing solution flows from a leaching tank into a filtration unit, a continuous, controlled transfer. A filter membrane traps impurities, allowing purified gold solution to pass through with microscopic precision.
A technician tests gold solution pH, ensuring optimal chemical conditions for refinement.
A technician transfers purified gold solution into a precipitation reactor, a precise handling of valuable precursor. Gold dust forms and settles in a reactor, a microscopic formation and elegant chemical separation.
Pure gold powder accumulates at the reactor's bottom, resembling fine golden sand, a tangible result of refining. A worker drains spent solution from the reactor, carefully collecting pure gold powder.
Pure gold powder is carefully scooped, ensuring delicate collection and ultimate purity of refined material.
A worker seals a gold powder container, ensuring tamper-proof security and meticulous preparation for storage.
A robotic forklift transports gold powder containers to a high-security vault, showcasing automated security.
A security camera pans across a gold powder vault, ensuring constant vigilance and impregnable security. A worker meticulously prepares pure gold powder for smelting, a critical final stage of refinement.
A worker loads pure gold powder into an induction furnace, a powerful transformation with extreme heat.
Gold powder rapidly melts into liquid gold, a blinding, ethereal glow of ultimate transformation. A worker pours molten gold into molds, a dangerous, spectacular, and transformative final pour. Molten gold fills the graphite mold, transforming into a perfect bar, its ultimate valuable shape. Newly cast gold bars, radiating heat, move into a cooling chamber for rapid solidification.
Automated stations brush and clean gold bars, meticulous surface preparation for final polishing.
A gold bar moves under a high-pressure air nozzle, blasting away dust for ultimate cleanliness.
A gold bar's perfectly polished surface reflects studio lights, showcasing flawless luxury and ultimate beauty.
A laser-marked gold bar displays crisp details, showcasing absolute authenticity and meticulous branding.
Gloved hands carefully place a gold bar into a tamper-evident casing, ensuring meticulous protection.
Sealed gold bars are placed into a branded security box, signifying secure consolidation and luxury.
Branded security boxes travel on a conveyor, an automated journey towards the final vault.
The massive gold vault door slowly opens, revealing vast treasures within, immense security and wealth. Towering stacks of gleaming gold bars fill the vault, an awe-inspiring display of overwhelming wealth. A single, perfectly polished gold bar, laser-marked and cased, symbolizes pristine perfection and ultimate value. An armed security guard stands sentinel at the main gold vault, an imposing presence of impregnable security. A robotic forklift, escorted by guards, transports a gold pallet from the main vault. Advanced secure transport. A security detail escorts a gold pallet through a corridor, a disciplined, high-value movement. An armored truck backs into a secure loading dock, security preparing to load the gold pallet.
A robotic forklift maneuvers a sealed gold pallet into an armored truck, ensuring automated precision and secure loading. A security officer secures internal locking bars, trapping the gold pallet for unwavering protection.
A security officer performs a final check of the truck's interior, ensuring rigorous inspection and uncompromising security. An armored truck departs into the sunrise, symbolizing the gold's journey to the wider world.